Location here in Ohio to show you around our facilities here at CorteX. We've been transitioning our manufacturing, warehousing, and shipping from California to here so that you are ensured that you're getting the same part every single time, highest quality possible, and do so in an efficient manner. As a consumer, you want to make sure that you're buying something that if you need a replacement part, the replacement is going to exactly match the original. And the key to that is two things. One, doing everything in software. Second part is using fixtures, and that allows us to verify the tolerances of everything on all the parts we make. Again, like everything here with CorteX, it's a big focus on quality and trying to provide the absolute best customer service that we can. Here in Ohio, constant evolution of product development. New products for all generations, Fox bodies, first generation vintage cars, you name it. We are a full service race shop. The car behind me is one that we built for the, it's a customer car. It's for the Optima Ultimate Street Car Series. You gotta get into the groove.
Hi, this is Philip Trionic. Thank you for tuning in. If you'd like to find out how to take your car to the next level, schedule a strategy session using the link below.